Morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, good morning, students, to everyone. Hello. Yeah. Next, order over. The next, molecularity. Molecularity. What is meant by molecularity? What is meant by order, students? Yes, already we discussed about order. The sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in rate law. Yes, order. What is meant by molecularity? Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please note down. Keep main heading molecularity definition. Note down. It is defined as total number of reactants it is defined as total number of reactant molecules or atoms it is defined as total number of reactant molecules or atoms reactant molecules or atoms in a balanced elementary chemical equation in a balanced elementary chemical equation. Check it once again. It is defined as total number of reactant molecules or atoms in a balanced elementary chemical equation. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Molecularity. Next, in molecularity, types of reactions is there. In the first one is they will ask example unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. How they will ask? Give an example for unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction. Note down. Phosphorus pentachloride gives rise to phosphorus trichloride and chloride. Next, bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. Give an example for bimolecular reaction. Sir. Hydrogen iodide gives rise to HI2. Next. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First unimolecular reaction example phosphorus pentachloride gives rise to phosphorus trichloride. Next, molecular reaction example hydrogen iodide gives rise to hydrogen plus iodide. Yes, clear. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Next, trimolecular reaction. Nitrogen oxide plus oxygen will give nitrogen gas. Yes, completed everyone.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Hello. Yes, students, completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, very important question. 100%. The next week exam is new test also is there. Write the difference between. Write the difference between order and molecularity. Order and molecularity. Write the difference between order and molecularity. Very important question. Most important. Very easy question. 2 marks glass. Yes. What is mean by order, student? What is mean by order? First definition.
The sum of the powers of a
Hello?
concentration of the reactant in the rate law expression is called order.
Yes, very good. The sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in rate law is known as order. First point definition. The sum of no doubt. The sum of powers of the sum of powers of the sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in rate law. Yes, students. Shall I repeat? Please respond, students.
Yes.
Shall I repeat? Is it clear or not?
Sir.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. The sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in rate law. Next, molecularity definition, students. Molecularity definition, tell me. Just now only.
It's defined as the total number of reactants and molecules in a balanced elementary chemical equation.
Very good. It is defined as the total number of reactant molecules or atoms. Please note down. It is defined as the total number of reactant molecules or atoms in a balanced elementary chemical equation.
Can you tell it once more?
You didn't write molecular definition. You didn't write. It is defined as the total number of reactant molecules or atoms in a balanced elementary chemical equation. It is defined as
Thank you, sir.
the total reactant molecules or atoms in a balanced elementary chemical reaction or equation. Next, second point. It may be It may be whole numbers, whole numbers, whole numbers, fractions, and zeros. Then here it may be whole numbers, fractions, and zeros. Here it is always whole number. Yes, whole numbers, but cannot be fraction. It cannot be fractions and zeros. So what is the second point? It may be whole numbers, fractions. Here it is always whole numbers. It cannot be fractions and zeros. It cannot be fractions and zeros. So what is the second point? It may be whole numbers, fractions and zeros. In molecularity, it is always second point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, it is an experimental quantity. Third point, note down. It is an experimental quantity. In order side, it is an experimental quantity. Theoretical quantity. It is theoretical quantity. It is theoretical quantity. Yes,
What is the third point for molecularity, sir?
it is an experimental quantity. It is theoretical quantity.
Oh,
Theoretical.
yes.
Theory part.
What is that, sir? It is an
Theoretical part or theoretical
no,
quantity.
sir. Order, sir.
Experimental quantity. It is an experimental quantity. Here it is theoretical quantity. Next, completed student. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, last point. It is applicable to. It is applicable to. It is applicable to both elementary and complex reactions. It is applicable to both elementary and complex reactions. You know very well what is meant by elementary reaction, complex reaction. Yes? Yes or no? Hello? What is meant by elementary reaction? What is meant by elementary reaction? Anybody?
It's defined as the
Anyone?
total number of reactants and molecules in a balanced elementary chemical equation.
Hello, sir. I am asking elementary reaction, not molecularity.
Sir, sir.
The reaction
Sorry.
that takes place in a single step is known as elementary reaction.
Yeah. Right here, other side, it is applicable to both elementary and complex reactions. Next, molecularity side, last point, it is applicable to only elementary reaction. It is applicable to only elementary reaction. It is applicable to only elementary reaction. Yes, completed or not?
Yes.
Completed.
Yes, completed or not, everyone? Yeah, see once. Right, the difference between order and molecularity means you should write like 4 points. Each point of mark, 2 marks they will ask this question. You should write first definition. What is meant by order? What is meant by molecularity? Next, it may be whole numbers, fractions, and zeros. Here, it is always whole numbers. It cannot be fractions and zeros. Next, it is an experimental quantity. It is theoretical quantity. It is applicable to both elementary and complex reaction. Here, it is applicable to only response students only.
Elementary.
Yeah. Is it clear? These 4 points. Any doubts is there?
No, sir.
Hello.
No, sir, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir, sir.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. This is the most important question. That's why I have
Yes,
asked.
sir. Yes.
Any doubts? Anybody?
No doubt.
Yeah. Next, everyone listen here. Very important question. Direct 5 marks question. In this chapter, this question only. Listen, everyone. And coming in this structure, this question. How they will ask me? Derive a zero order reaction. Which one? Zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Listen here. Zero order derivation. What is mean by zero order? Means the rate of reaction is directly proportional to zero powers of the concentration of the reactants. Concentration of the reactants. Then that is known as zero order. You know very well. The rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to zero powers of the concentration of the reaction. Zero. If you want first order, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to first powers of the concentration of the reactants is known as first order. Now we are discussing zero order. What is the zero order? The rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to zero powers of the concentration of the reactants. Is known as zero order reaction. Yes, it's clear definition. Everyone, listen here. What is zero order? Zero order means the rate of reaction. Yes. Is it clear? Hello.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Something not clear. No, it's fine, sir.
What is mean by zero order reaction? The rate of reaction is directly proportional to zero powers of the concentration of the reactant. Is known as zero order reaction. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to zero powers of the concentration of the reactant. Yes, this is clear. Mathematical explanation. Everyone.
Yes, sir, sir.
Everyone plus this one. Question. Please respond everyone. Yes, yes, it is clear or not? Now, minus dr is equal to dr by dt. Is the correct constant of the 0. Now, minus by dt is the equal to subtract from n by k or 0 is the total. How much 0 or 1? 0. Okay, then minus dr by dt is equal to k. Is it clear this equation everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubts is there here? Doubts is there here? Yeah. Now minus can say this side. dr is equal to minus k this can say this side. Yes, is it clear now?
yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now integration. Both side. Integration d is equal to minus k constant integration d plus I take one constant. I'm taking one constant I. What is meant by here? Integration constant. Yes, yes. Is it clear now, student? To everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Now this integration can calculate what is there? Concentration power is there. Is anyone here? Step to solve or not?
Yes, sir.
Visible. Visible, sir.
Minus k integration dx is equal to x. You know integration dx is equal to x. Either integration d is equal to dt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
My integration is equal to dt. Plus now concentration R is equal to minus kt plus I. This is equation number 1. Student, please listen everyone. Repeat again once again. Any doubts is there?
No, sir.
Any doubts is there?
Integration. Can you tell me?
Integration on both the side. Yeah, integration on both the side. Here, d into concentration R is equal to minus k dt. Integration dr is equal to minus k. Integration d plus I. This integration d can remain what is there? Concentration R is equal minus k constant. Integration dx is equal to x like that. Integration dt is equal to t minus kt plus I. Integration constant. Yes, is it clear now? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, concentration R is equal. Concentration R is equal. You can take concentration R naught. Concentration R naught. And T is equal 0. And T is equal 0. T is equal and 0. See now, here integration. See concentration R is equal minus kt plus I is there. Now you can take R is equal to R naught and T is equal to 0. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Jay Surya and Swam, please come outside. Disturbance. Now this point clear, student everyone.
Yes, sir.
Means what you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
in this first equation, R is equal, you should take R naught and T is equal to 0, you have to substitute in equation 1. Yes. See now equation 1 from equation 1. See now here R is equal to what you have to do? R naught and T is equal 0, you can substitute. Then what happened? equation 1, concentration R naught is equal minus K into T value 0 plus I. Yes, student. Is it clear, student? Now what happened?
Yes, sir.
R naught is equal, this value total 0. Minus K into 0, what happened? 0 only, correct? Now
Zero,
is equal. Now you will get I. Now R naught is equal to I. This is equation number 2. Yes, is it clear now? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Now equation number 2 in substitute equation 1. Why means here I value you don't know. Right now I value you know very well. Yes. This I value will substitute in equation number 1. R is equal K plus I. Second equation I value is there. In first equation you don't have I value how much? R naught. Now this minus KT send this side. Then what happened? KT is equal R naught minus R. Yes, is it clear, student, everyone? Now K is equal to R naught minus R by T. Yes, student. R can write T is equal, if you want T is equal R naught minus R by K. This is the hello students.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Four already clear? Sirisha,
Yes, sir.
clear or not? Ajay, Sundar, Suprit, Karthik, Vikas. Question paper. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please keep main heading zero order. Still is there. Zero order. Zero order. Kirti, clear?
Yes, sir.
My voice clear?
Yes, sir. But board is not clear, sir.
Board is not clear.
In camera, it is not showing clearly.
Now it is visible.
Sir, it is somewhat like blur. Now, okay, sir.
Keep main heading zero order. Zero order. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to hello students.
Yes, sir.
The rate of reaction is directly proportional to 0 power of the 0 power of the 0 power of the now it is clear board students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 0 power of the 0 power of the concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. Yeah, now write this derivation.
Sir, after or the last part, what you wrote, sir?
Yes, tell me, ma.
After or the last part,
Hello.
sir. After or the last part you wrote, no, sir. The last formula. What is it?
T is equal. See, same only. Here R is equal minus KT plus R naught. Now this KT can send this side. Then what happened? Plus KT is equal R naught minus R. Now first I am taking K. K is equal R naught minus R by T. One T. T is equal R naught minus R. R naught minus R by K.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, completed students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone completed students. Yeah, next zero order examples. Zero order example. You know very well. Haber's process, ammonia preparation. Ammonia gives rise to will give nitrogen and 3H2. R preparation means N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. And one more example. Hydrogen chloride. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. This is also one more example for zero order. Zero order examples. Is it clear now? These two examples. Next, graph. In this zero order graph is there. See now how they will ask derive zero order reaction. Give an example. Or derive zero order means you should write everything derivation with example and graph. Sometimes they will ask the zero order reaction with an example. Like that they will ask. See now, what is the graph here? The concentration here. Here concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. Here concentration R naught. You know very well straight line y is equal mx plus c, correct? If you plot that R is concentration of R against what happened? We get straight line. This slope is minus k. Slope is minus k, and intercept is equal to concentration R naught. Okay. Zero should write this one. Zero order graph. Yes, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
write examples and graph.
Sir, in graph, what is it written, sir? K equal to? Yes, sir. Sir? Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in the graph, what is it written, sir? K equal to slope.
Slope minus slope now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, complete student everyone. Yes, complete student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now listen here. Zero order half-life. Half-life, HALF, LIFE, half-life means in the concentration of reactants you should reduce of 50% and time also should reduce. See, you know very well what is the zero order final reaction, students? K is equal concentration R naught minus concentration R by T. Correct, student? Now here you should take T is equal T1 by and R is equal. You should take R naught by 2. R naught by 2. These two values you have to substitute here. Is it clear or not? Half-life, zero order half-life means you should reduce concentration and time. Then what happened here? T is equal to T1 by 2, R is equal R naught by 2. R is equal R naught by 2. Now we can substitute here. T can take this side. T is equal to T1 by 2 is equal R. Students, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is it written, sir? T equal to?
Wait one second. See, listen here. Zero order half-life they're asking. Means the concentration R you should reduce 50%. Means R naught by 2. Like time also, T is by 2. Now, instead of T place can substitute T1 by 2. R place can substitute R naught by 2. These two values can substitute here. Then I am taking T this side. T1 by 2 is equal R naught minus R naught by 2. Yes, student. Now, T1 by 2.
Sorry, you're on mute again.
Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
So,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
hello.
Please listen here. This is the final equation, correct, student? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
See now, I am taking T is equal T1 by 2, R is equal R naught by 2. T is equal, I am taking T send this side. Then what happened? T will come here, K will go here. Then T value how much? T1 by 2. R naught. R value how much? R naught by 2 by K. Correct, student? Hello. Is it clear or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. T1 by 2 is equal. Tell me, students. Tell me, LCM. Hello.
2 into R naught
2
by
R naught minus R naught by 2.
by 2.
2K. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 R naught minus R naught, R naught. Then T1 by 2 is equal R naught by 2K. R naught by 2K. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So listen once again. So you can write 0 to find the formula K is equal to R naught by R naught minus R naught by T. Or you can write T is equal concentration R naught minus R by K. Correct? This is the final equations. Correct? Now what happened? Half-life means you should reduce concentration R naught by 2 time T1 by 2. Means instead of T you can substitute by 2, instead of R you can substitute R naught by 2. What is the final equation? You can take this one. Then what happened? T is equal to T1 by 2 R naught minus R value how much? R naught by 2 will substitute here by K. Then hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Keep main heading zero order half-life. Zero order half-life. First definition, no doubt. The half-life, the half-life of a reaction, the half-life of a reaction The time in which
Sir, can you once again tell, sir, once again?
the half-life of a reaction is the half-life of a reaction is the half-life of a reaction is the time in the time the time in which the time in which the time in which the concentration of reactant is the concentration of reactant is reduced. The concentration of reactant is reduced to TO, reduced to 1/2 of 1 ONE. Yes, completed everyone?
Yes, sir.
Not on this one.
Sir, reduced to
Already in board, you can check it, sir.
Reduced to 1
1/2 of its initial concentration. No one will respond. Is it clear or not, ma?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
clear, sir.
Only 2-3 people are remaining. They don't want, I think.
Yes, sir.
Everything is only unsure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, please note down.
Okay, sir.
Yes, complete student, everyone.
Completed, sir.
Hello. Any doubts is there?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, today's that questions complete. Zero order difference between these two questions complete. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.